How to buy Yushi on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to buy Yushi on PUBG. Buying Yushi on PUBG is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to the Yushi purchase section. From the main menu, tap on the Yushi icon at the top of the screen next to your avatar or profile picture. Choose a Yushi package. You will see several Yushi purchases options, ranging from small to large packs. Choose the package that suits your needs. Select a payment method. Once you choose a Yushi package, you will be redirected to payment screen, usually managed by Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on your device. Complete the purchase. Select your payment method, credit card, debit card, Google Play balance or other method available on your App Store, and confirm the purchase. After the transaction is complete, the Yushi will be added to your in-game balance instantly. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can buy Yushi on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.